If an antivirus and VPN are available as a package, it only makes sense to get them together. Well, Bitdefender offers exactly that. But how good is their VPN? And is their antivirus still one of the top performers on the market? In today's Bitdefender antivirus and VPN review, we'll answer these questions and check out what else their bundle includes. At the forefront of any antivirus and VPN review, you should see a security evaluation by independent labs. When it comes to Bitdefender antivirus test results, we can see that they've passed with flying colors. During their most recent inspection, this app was able to block 100% of both 0-day and 4-week-old malware, meaning that malware of any kind doesn't stand a chance at getting through their defenses. These experts also tested Bitdefender across 3 categories: protection, performance, and usability. And again, we can see it earned perfect scores all around. But you guys know me. Even with a review from reputable experts, I still want to run the provider through our own tests before I definitively answer the question, is Bitdefender good at protecting my device? So as usual, our research team created an attack simulation by planting 150 malware files onto a device. We then ran 2 separate scans, one to test the full scan's detection capabilities and another to test the real-time scanning. The results? Both had very decent scores, with the full scan sniffing out 121 malicious files and real-time detecting 125. These rates are right in line with some of the other best antivirus providers on the market, which means Bitdefender absolutely still ranks as a top performer in 2024. If you'd like to try out Bitdefender and at the best possible price, then here's a QR code for you. Or there's also a link down in the description. Alright, so Bitdefender antivirus security gets a checkmark. And we'll see if their VPN can also achieve that a bit later. But right now, let's move on to the features and ease of use part of this Bitdefender antivirus review. The app itself is easy to navigate and beginner-friendly for any newbies out there. And keep in mind, it's currently available on Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. So what features does the antivirus come equipped with? First off, there's a variety of scanning options. This includes the system scan that we use during our testing, which checks every corner of your device for threats. I don't advise relying on the quick scan frequently though, because it only does a surface level job, but it is good for an occasional brief checkup. Meanwhile, the vulnerability scan, as its name suggests, hunts down any vulnerabilities on your device, like weak passwords or outdated apps. And finally, the custom scan is ideal if you want to individually check any suspicious files or folders for threats before opening them. Bitdefender also offers a firewall, which inspects incoming and outgoing network traffic for any threats. And since losing your iPhone only takes a split second, I found Bitdefender's anti-theft feature super handy. This allows users to remotely lock and locate their device on Google Maps in case you ever forget it somewhere. Now, if you're anything like me, I'm sure you're also sick of sorting through sketchy spam in your inbox. That's where Bitdefender's anti-spam feature comes in handy, because it uses a series of filters to prevent those from getting into your inbox in the first place. And since Bitdefender aims to keep all of those annoyances at bay, their anti-tracker feature protects you from online trackers that harvest your data and serve up those creepy customized ads you see everywhere. Alright, I think we've seen how effective and efficient the antivirus is at keeping you safe. Now let's move on to my Bitdefender VPN review. Like other quality providers, Bitdefender VPN uses a virtually unhackable encryption that provides a bubble of protection around your network. They do have a no-logs policy, however, it has not been audited yet. Hopefully it is sometime soon, because that would obviously make their claims more trustworthy for users. On the plus side though, there are more than enough servers and country locations to provide users with lots of options. As far as tunneling protocol options go, there are a good amount of those to choose from too, but I generally stick with WireGuard because it's one of the safest and most modern choices available. It's also one of the top protocol choices thanks to the fast speeds it helps deliver for users. That's a good segue, because another crucial factor we need to talk about is speed. After running some speed tests in a few different locations, our team found that Bitdefender VPN download speed was excellent and provided a completely smooth and lag-free online experience. One area I definitely like to see improvement though is unlocking international streaming content. We were only available to successfully access one platform using their UK servers, which is extremely limited compared to what other industry leaders are capable of. Moving on, the premium Bitdefender VPN subscription does come with the same security features of other top performers, and at an affordable price at that. And the combination of all of these security measures makes the Bitdefender antivirus and VPN bundle an excellent way to keep your devices secure. Their kill switch ensures that you're only connected to your network while you're protected. If you want to customize which sites and apps are routed through the VPN and which aren't, then split tunneling makes that process super simple. Auto Connect is another great way to reinforce your security, as it lets you customize when you need your device to instantly connect to the VPN without having to initiate it. This can be anything from public Wi-Fi to an unstable network, or even if a peer-to-peer app is started. The premium VPN includes a useful ad blocker that prevents those annoying ads from cluttering every site you visit. And I found the app traffic optimizer to work really well too. If you notice any of your apps ever start lagging, you can prioritize traffic to that specific one for a speed boost. This works really well on up to 3 apps at once. Even though it's not available for Mac OS users yet, the double hop feature boosts your security and makes it even harder to trace your IP address by forcing your connection through not one, but 2 servers. Keep in mind, though, that this feature does sacrifice a lot of performance, so be prepared for slower speeds in exchange for double the protection. As far as included features are concerned, our Bitdefender review found they offer all the must-have features you'd want. If you find this video useful and want more informative cybersecurity content, hit like and subscribe. Okay, moving on to the pricing and plans part of our Bitdefender review, what options are available and how much will they cost you? There's 3 different tiers to choose from. The Antivirus Plus plan is the cheapest and comes with most of the security features we mentioned, except for the privacy firewall and performance optimization tool. This plan covers one device, and it's currently only available for Windows users. If you opt for the Internet Security plan, then you get to use it simultaneously on 3 Windows devices, and get the firewall feature as well. To protect yourself completely in one fell swoop, the Total Security tier is definitely the best option, as it covers 3 devices at once and includes all security features. If you do want to grab the Bitdefender Antivirus and VPN Premium together, then click the add-on button before checking out and it'll automatically be included in your package. Now, regardless of which Bitdefender Antivirus VPN plan you go with, they're all very affordable. Getting the 1-year subscription only ends up costing you the equivalent of buying 1 latte per month. So, wrapping up this Bitdefender antivirus and VPN review, testing results prove that this provider absolutely remains one of the best antiviruses on the market today. Plus, all their many additional features deliver the cybersecurity protection you need and in one user-friendly package. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.